This is a video on how to use the score computer on Blackboard to compute your score for the course and then extrapolate that to a grade. Your course score computation is as simple as can possibly be. You just add up your exam scores and your exercise scores and any extra credit that you earn plus your quiz points. And as long as you pass the requisite number of quizzes that your syllabus says you need to pass, then you get all the quiz points for the course, in this case 60 points. And you need to pass 13 of the 18 quizzes in the course according to your syllabus to get those 60 points. So let's say we've been through exam 1 and exam 2, and let's see, you made a 72 on exam 1, and let's say you made a 78 on exam 2, and let's say that you want to make a B in the course. So let's look at our syllabus here. And the minimum number of points that you can have to make a B in the course is 456. So let me just make a note of that here, 456. And let's just say that you're doing real well on the exercises. Let's say you got a 3 on this exercise and a 4. As a matter of fact, let's just say you got 4s on the other exercises that we've had, and you're planning on getting 4s on the other exercises, which isn't too terribly difficult to do. And let's say that you're planning on passing 13 out of the 18 quizzes in the course, which again is not too difficult to do. So let's put 60 points here. And then there's going to be about 15 points of extra credit in the course. Let's just say conservatively, maybe you're going to get 10 of those points, you think. Again, it's not too tough to get all 15, but let's just say 10 just to be conservative. So that means so far you've got 259 points in the course. And we said that you need 456 points to make a B. So let's just subtract 259 from 456 to see how many points you've got to make on the remaining 2 exams in order to get that B. So let's just do that right here. There's 456 and we said 259. Whoops. Yeah, 456. Subtract 259 from that. So that means I need 197 points on the remaining 2 exams in order to get my B. In other words, in order to get the 456 points that I need to make a B. So I need 197 points. What does that really mean? What grade, so to speak, do I have to make on exam 3 and on the final in order to get that B that I want to get? Well, remember the final is worth 150 points. Exam 3 is worth 100 points. So that means there's 250 points remaining, possible points remaining, and I need to get 197 of those points. So what percentage of the remaining points do I need to get? Well, let's just divide 197 by 250 to get that answer. .78. So I need to make a 78.8 on exam 3 and on the final 78.8% in order to get my B. Okay, so we said I need to make a 78.8 on the remaining 2 exams, exam 3 and the final. So that's pretty simple when it comes to exam 3, because exam 3 is worth 100 points, so I know I need to make 78.8, or let's just call it 79 points. Let's just put that in there. just to remind us. Now remember, the final is worth 150 points. So what percentage score do I need, or what point score do I need to make on the final? I know I need to make a 78.8%. Well, let's figure that out. How many points do I need on the final? Let's do that in this column right here. So let's put in 78% or 79%. We'll just put in 0.788 since that's exactly what we figured out we need. And then the final's worth 150. So we'll just figure out what 0.788 of 150 is by multiplying. Equals that times that, and that's 118.2. So I need to make 118.2 points on the final exam. Let's just double check here. Let's just put this in. 118. Yep, 456. So if these are my grades, I'll make my B. It'd be easy, if you don't think you're going to get extra credit, to just put a 0 in here for extra credit and redo the analysis, or if your exercise scores are a little bit different than what I put in, or you think they're going to turn out a little bit different than what I put in, you can change those scores. All that stuff is going to change this number right here, and you can just redo that analysis.